He found hamburger on sale for 14 what? You cut the price off. 14.97. We're gonna make our own hamburger patties. Here we go. Look at that. We already got a couple burgers over here. He's gonna cut one to put on top. We're making stacks of 3. And we're making them quarter pounds. Slice. We got a scale and we got some wax paper, and he's gonna scale it out to a quarter pound. Well, close to it. Got an old Tupperware press, not one of the fancy new ones, but an older one. Look at that. The wax paper, and voila. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? She's purring. He purrs like a kitty cat. That's my kitty cat today. She's napping at us now. Who made him that way? I wonder who. Dead on. Okay, here are 4 stacks of 3 burgers each. We're going to put those in the freezer, let them freeze, and then we're going to vacuum seal them. I'll take you over here to my other freezer. These are the burgers we're going to have for supper tonight. Okay. Okay, here's the other ones. Got 6 more stacks. We put them in 3 each. Easier that way. And like I said, after these are all done, we are going to vacuum seal them into 3 stacks. So I'll finish this video up then. Okay, we're back, and here we go. I've got all of these hamburger patties we did. We got them all vacuum sealed up. I've got them dated, and I will put these in the freezer, and whenever we want hamburgers, just pop some in the skillet and fry them up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.